Hey guys, this is a little bit outside of my normal content, but I really want to share this because if you love key lime pie, you're gonna love this. So basically, the Chobani key lime Greek yogurt and this wheat germ. I mixed these two together and it is really good. Can't beat it. Then a little bit of the wheat germ, and the wheat germ is almost like a graham cracker crust, and that's why, you know, I say it's like key lime pie, but man, this stuff is really good. Okay, well, I hope you enjoy. Okay, and I should also mention my dog loves it too. Good boy.